Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the smeltery now. Build a 3x3x3 seared brick structure with controller, drain, and tank so you can handle molten metal. Once done, fuel it and place a faucet over a casting table or basin. This is where you form casts. While that heats, melt 3 gold ingots in the smeltery to create molten gold. Make sure to keep the smeltery lit. Without steady heat, you will not get consistent pours or clean casts. You now convert molten gold into a cast. Put the target item or ingot pattern on the casting table or basin so the gold will form around it. Once aligned, open the faucet briefly and pour molten gold. Fill only until the pattern is just covered, because overpouring wastes metal and blurs detail. After pouring, allow the gold to cool and solidify. Patience matters here, so don't remove it early. Once solid, pick up the new gold cast, which will replicate. You finish by using the gold cast to reproduce parts at the part builder or to pour duplicates quickly. Gold casts are fast but wear down, so keep spares. Make sure to label and store casts because they break after many uses. If a cast fails, check 3 things. Faucet alignment may be off, the smeltery temperature might be too low, or you overpoured and distorted the mold. Remelt the gold and retry with a corrected setup to avoid repeating the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.